We're gonna get into the performances soon. First gonna be Cody. If anybody hungry, the food truck outside, just say something.
We got a thing.
With instrumental set by Cody Bates. He might throw some songs in there too. Go ahead.
What's good, everybody? Hopefully everybody got a good night going on. My name is Kobe Bates. Just got some jams coming for y'all.
Luxury streetwear, y'all come follow me and tap in, you feel me? Everything customized, one-on-one piece. I'm a custom clothing brand. I do everything indirect with my customers, so come tap in with me, get your shit personalized.
Fit check. Tell me what you got on.
It's thrifted tee. This the Hawks baseball team. Dior sweats. Yeezy insulated boots. You know the vibes, twin. You know the vibe.
And then what's your social media?
Instagram, not Emgra. TikTok is We Love You Lil Yeezy.
You got on.
Shit, man. You know, another shit, 2024 music.
What's your social media?
_only1K3N.
Okay. All right, tell me what you got on.
I got that before. You already know life before death. You already know come check. You feel me? Just a little something slight. Just a little shirt from the store. You feel me? Got the jeans on, little custom jeans, little $20 jeans. You know what I'm saying? Got the custom voices. You feel what I'm saying? They a little dirty, but it's straight though. You feel me?
And where can we find you? What's your social media?
OTM_Trap BP on Instagram. Come follow me. And I'm finna drop that YouTube. So BP business. Be watching.
What I got on?
Yeah, we doing fit check.
Wait. Cut it off. This is Marvell from Voltron Printing, and we are doing a clothing check. I have free breakfast apparel on. And a Raleigh Athletic, which we made here in Voltron Printing. I don't know what jeans I have on, but they look good. And I'm wearing them off-white. The off-white floors. And I appreciate you attending this event with us. On www.voltronprint.com, the website, and Voltron Print Instagram. Come check us out.
Already watching rappers, my children, they forgotten. Never picked any cotton. Play tracks on my flesh is old and forgotten. Osama bin Laden, we got him. Got tasked with double checking the coffin. I'm hoping not to get popped. Potential waste to be enough to pause or stop. Please don't pass me the
Fit check. Just dropped. Life before death. Feel lead to design the t-shirt. Man. Wood, vintage, all that logo. If you know, you know. One for one. Flare, salt fabric. Both sides flare, you know. What the man? Fashion Trap in the building, life before death. Voltron.
Where can we find you on social media?
Find me at Fashion Trapper
That's mine. Find the brand at Life Before Death.
There we go.
Come on now.
All right.
Come get your bitch back. Come get your bitch back.
All right.
Now I got on this Olympic John got from Denver, Colorado. Nike sweat. Short 13.
All right. And where can we find you on social media?
You can find me on social media, Instagram at bandman54.amg. Bandman54.amg. Show.
So I call him a fan. I'm from a place where standing outside, you can get burnt like you can. Season the beef, I like my wheels down. Pull off your top like spam. Niggas be jelly, how I get bread, cause I ain't been stuck in the jam.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Birthday, nigga. I'm 22, nigga. On the 22nd, on the second month of the year, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga?
Oh, it's your golden year.
My golden year.
All right, we're gonna start off with some vintage Red Monkey. I'm Red Monkey junkie. Yeah. With the these two Japanese jeans.
Hold on, wait. Let me see the back. Let me see the back. We got it.
Supreme Forces. We just want to be simple today. Then we're gonna double it up with the newest drop today. The newest Supreme box logo with the Christopher kite around the neck. Human made key lane. We do all accessories. Human made all the way down. Golf Wayne on the liner. I'm chilling. Oh, and Cun on the frames. Shout out my people from Memphis.
Hey,
you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Going crazy. Stop playing with twins. Them shit ain't gonna run. He got the real one. He got the real one. You hear me? You hear me? He got the real one.
Oh, no,
He got the real one. He got the real one.
You got it.
But he got the real one.
Little baby, don't stop. With my ice, baby girl, it's walk. Walk, baby girl, don't stop. Baby, look so damn cute, that clock. By the new baby back cake, that's my pops. Big button down, this big ass clock. Back behind school, used to smoke with the jocks. Step in the club, walk straight to the eyes. Hold on, here's what I said. Hey, bullets gon' dance on that bitch, see breeze.